So not many people know this, but as of late, Claude has updated their app, and this has been a secret update. There's been no big announcements to it. And the biggest change here, and I would say the biggest change for anyone who doesn't necessarily only want to use Claude Code, is to their harness. Now, this app that you have got on my Mac here is a harness that plugs into Claude Code and into Claude, and it allows me to use Claude Code. Now, if I don't want to use Claude Code in the past, this will be absolutely no use. But now I can choose from a multitude of models because it now plugs into all of these models, even the free ones. Takes a bit of setting up, but it's not that hard. And once you set this up, you can use the Claude harness if you're used to it for free. So you can use it with any of these free models over here, like Poolside Laguna X2, Poolside Laguna M1 for free. These two are the latest coding models. They're here for free. You can also use it with the OSS 128, 120B. That's also for free. And you can also use it with these paid models. So I'm in this video, I'm going to show you how to set this up correctly, because some of the stuff just will not work out of the box. You have to make sure that you're setting up the skills and you're setting up your OpenRouter correctly so that all of these models, free and paid, come in listed. And just to show you that this works, I'll just ask it. So I'm using over here the Laguna M1 free. I can switch to the M2 free, and I can also switch to any other model that's free. Now, not all free models work. Like, for instance, the Ling one, this does work. So if I do, hello, what model is this? Give it a second over here. And I can use all of the skills that I would otherwise use with Claude Code. The only difference being that some of the skills will not work because they will only work with Claude Code, as in the AI. But all of the other stuff, I would say 90% of the other stuff works. So the current model here is Inclusion Ling 2.61T free, 2.6 billion parameter language model. So how to set this up is really easy. The first thing first, you go here and you switch this into developer mode. Once you have developer mode enabled, which you should be able to enable from over here, as far as I remember, once you have developer mode enabled, you go down over here. I have it enabled by default. So you go here and you do a configure third-party inference. Click here, and you keep gateway over here. You'll use this gateway URL. This is OpenRouter's gateway URL. I'll put this in the description for you guys. Once that's done, you paste in the OpenRouter API, create API key. This will go to create API key, and I already created one for Claude Cowork. And as you can see, I have used a little bit of it over here, but that doesn't really matter because for the most part, I'm using the free models that are nearly as good. So once you have this set up, you just go down to over here, gateway authentication scheme. Make sure that this is set to X API key because we're using an API key over here. And you don't need to set up any of this. You then go to sandbox and workspace. You make sure you disable built-in tools. So you just want to make sure to add web search over here, because if you don't enable web search will not work. So all you need to do is just click this over here, add, and you do web search. So you've got a whole bunch of other tools. Just hit web search over here, and that should be enough. Allow ingress hosts. Just set this to asterisk. Everything else should be fine. And you just go ahead and then you restart your Claude desktop app, which I'm set to Claude 3P gateway. So you can go ahead and just reset the app. And once this app restarts, you then go ahead and start adding skills. So you'll go to, so you go to the skills over here. You go to the main skill. All right. So you click on Claude plugin. So this is the main skill over here. And it's skills. Click here. I will add the link to this skills repo. All right. So once you go to the repo, there's a link in the description to the repo, by the way. You go ahead and download zip. You download the zip file and you unzip it. When you unzip it, when you unzip the files, this is what you'll get. You'll get the specs, the template, skills. All right. Then you unzip the individual skills that you want. So here's the individual folder for each skill. So let's say I wanted to add canvas design as a skill. So I'll go ahead and I will copy this over here. Let's say I want to set up canvas design as a skill. I'll go ahead, I'll go to Claude over here. All right, so to add the skill, you go to customize over here and you go to skills and you do new skill and then create skill, upload a skill, and then you go to the directory where the skill is. So in my case, that would be, we go down, we're on the canvas design. This is the skill. So we'll click on canvas design, do an open, skills.md, open, we'll do an upload and replace, and we've got the skill. So that's how simple it is to set up your Claude desktop with a third-party tool, with a third-party AI, and then configure the skills so that they work as they otherwise would. Everything else works exactly the same. So if your Cowork or your desktop app has been set up prior to this, all you need to do is just do an update and then set it up with OpenRouter. So if you guys found the video helpful, like and subscribe as always, leave a comment below. And if you have a question or you run into issues and you need help, feel free to leave it in the comments and I will make it a point to respond to you. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video.